I had vodka, lemon, lime, and bitters with my lunch this afternoon, but I don't think they put enough vodka. I was complaining at the counter, but I decided to make pina colada because my friend and I
Just
were
came
talking
back
about it during
from my
lunch.
client and I was planning to make pina colada. I bought this. I didn't know I have one in the cupboard, so I ended up having two. But you can never have enough alcohol. And then pineapple juice, some pitted cherries. I was looking for the proper cherry, the stem on it, but they don't have any because it's not in season. I like my pina colada with real coconut. I'm gonna show you how to make your cream, coconut cream, and coconut milk. Very dangerous. Far out. I don't like the water. Pinch. For the love of alcohol. Perfect. You need this to grate the coconut. So I added just not even 1 cup of water. I'll just leave it like that. Usually we use warm, not too hot water, but I just use the tap water because I'm gonna use it with my alcohol. I don't want my alcohol hot. So I'll just leave that for a while. I'm gonna go out and collect my clothes from the line in case it rains tonight. It should be like 10 minutes. I'll be back and then I'll start squeezing this one to get the coconut milk. I have a mesh here that I am gonna improvise. So this is the coconut, shredded coconut, grated coconut. So I'll show you that. It's a bit milky. I'm not sure how to make it really, but I don't have a strong grip anymore. I'm getting old. I bet I'll try again. I'm not happy with the first. It looks first thing that come out from the grated coconut. So it's, I use cold water like the one from the top, and it looks like milk. I don't like it. I need creamier. So this one, I put hot water, a little bit of hot water. I have to call my brother to rescue me. I was trying to call my father because he's the one that is very good with coconut. Mga gata-gata, I'm not good at it. So I don't have a strong grip anymore because of my tendonitis. Fucking hell. Oh, that looks better. So, oh, the key is warm water. I'm drinking it later. Okay, this is more creamier. Cream milk. So let's get ready for pina colada. Alright. So here's my pina colada recipe. This is 178 ml roughly. That's pineapple juice. This is 90 ml of coconut cream that I just grated and squeezed. This is 45 ml of rum, white rum. I'm supposed to put 1 to 2 cups of ice, but I don't have enough. This is a quarter, more than a quarter cup. That should. There's no ice available. I'm only drinking from on my own anyway, so I'll just do that. And then my blender didn't work. I have to use this one. It's for grinding my spices. I hope it doesn't taste like spice. That one. I'll just pour this. Just one. Actually, I'll put it there. The more the merrier, right? I'll just put that away. I wish I have more ice. Yep, that's it. Use this straw that Luke uses. I hope there's no clay inside because he uses this for shaping clay. So, pina colada, homemade one. Oh, I need ice. There's no ice. So it's alright.